Ford invested very early in the first additive manufacturing machines, so we are printing for 30 years now. And that's why we looked for large format machines and found the BigRep ONE. So here we have our first application for the BigRep ONE. This is the seal gap frame. It's a quality assurance tool where we measure the gap between the body sides and the door of a vehicle. And after 2 or 3 successful prints, the BigRep ONE was already paid, and that was a huge success story. Yeah, a very common application for additive manufacturing is the jigs and fixture application. Here we have a hand jig for positioning the badges on the lift gate of a vehicle. It's also printed with Pro HD on the BigRep ONE. The biggest advantage of large-scale printing is getting rid of assemblies. When we are able to really produce bigger parts by one piece, this gives us a huge advantage. We invested in the BigRep PRO because the need for large-scale additive manufacturing increased over the time. We were not able to catch up all these needs, and that's why we need a machine that also has a higher speed that we can produce even more. To our mind, the Pro may be the enabler for end-use automotive parts. Working together with BigRep is more a collaboration than just a normal supplier relationship, especially with the BigRep Pro, and we are together developing this machine to our needs.